Hey baby, so I am here to do an unboxing with RIRI Hair. This hair did come with the ribbon on it and some stuff inside the box. I had did an unboxing before and accidentally deleted the video, so here we are. So this is RIRI Hair. This is how the packaging looks. Really nice, really nice. Just a regular box, you know, just a regular box. And so I got their Yaki straight hair. So when I pull it out the box, this is how it looks. Straight from the box, no lace cut. Look at that. Bleached, not to perfection. It's already pre-plucked. So if you're somebody who does not do plucking or bleaching, look at that. It's already pre-plucked and bleached. So I'm not gonna do any bleaching to it because it's already bleached to perfection and it's bleached a lot. So I'm not gonna do anything to it. But what I am gonna do is pluck it some more and then we're gonna put it on. So yeah. It does come with this like bra strap, like elastic band on the inside. As you can see, it has the straps on the side here. It has combs in it. And then it has like this adjustable strap. You can put it to match your head size. So if your head is bigger, your head is smaller, sis, they got you covered. As well as a big, huge comb in the back so that you secure your wig in the back. With a little bit of lace. But this lace ain't gonna do nothing. This is 130 density, 20-inch, light brown lace color. Medium cap size is 22.5 inches. And it is pre-plucked. Bleached, it's bleached all the way around, and it is Brazilian virgin hair, Yaki straight. Had to bring y'all the details. So what we're gonna do is put this bad boy on. First, let me take this off, and then let's go ahead and put this down so y'all can see it. I have tried this wig on once before. It is definitely too big for my head per se. Front to back, it's too big. So I would have to require a smaller cap to make it fit because it does buckle pretty severely bad in the back because it's too long from front to back. All right, so let's go ahead and put this down. And this is just no glue or anything. This is just me putting it on, you know, just to show you guys how it looks before doing anything to it. So this is how it would look. It's literally bleached very good and it's plucked very good. I'm gonna just pluck it some more because I'm an overachiever. So this is how the scalp looks. It looks pretty good. It looks really good, y'all. Like I said, it is too big for me. However, y'all can see that it can fold. It's just way too big for my head size. But you know, you can always request a smaller cap size. I thought this cap size was definitely gonna fit me, but it does not. And it like looks really good. Everywhere I part it, pretty much, the scalp looks the same. Yes, let's go ahead and pluck and style this bad boy. All right, let's get started. Let's get it started, ha. Ooh, ha, ha. So this hairline is pretty full. I'm gonna take my comb, section it. And then go in and start plucking. You definitely don't need to pluck, y'all. Plucking is an option. I personally just like to pluck. Y'all see the difference so already? Look at how soft this side is versus how hard this side is. That's the difference between plucking a little bit more and leaving it. So adding the hair to the front. Look how soft that is, how soft that hairline gonna be. Y'all, that's why I like to pluck mine just a little more, because honestly, a little bit can make a difference. But like I said, if you don't know how to, you're not required to. It's still gonna look good regardless. But if you are somebody who likes to overdo things like myself, then plucking works amazing. All right, so you can see how it looks so far once it's plucked, how good it's gonna really look once it's done versus this side. You'll see the difference. So what I find more useful, because normally you want to spray the lace down before you pluck it. Spray it with some water, it allows it to come out easier. But I'm not gonna spray it with water because I want to put it on right away and I don't want to wait for it to dry. So what I do is I use my pressing comb. So far, this is what I plucked out. This is what I plucked out of just this one little spot. As you can see, that's a lot of hair for one little spot. All right, now that we're done with that, I'm gonna go ahead and just continue to pluck here. I go in, and if I see it looks dark in certain areas, I go in from the back. And if I see there's darker spots, I just take those spots and I just pluck it out until it gets lighter and softer. So I'm consistently moving my tweezer. It may look like I'm in one spot, but I'm not. I'm consistently going like back and forth, side to side. I'm plucking out different hair. And then I pull this back and I go in here in this area and pluck it. I did not know this was not recording this whole time. I was sitting here talking to the camera, but I was saying that I'm pressing it back. I pray that this camera was rolling for a good minute and it just did that. I don't know what's going on. But I was saying I'm pressing it back, and with good lace, you could kind of tap the lace a little bit and not worried about it melting. But with a bad lace, you can't. And with this lace, I'm tapping it just a little bit, pushing my luck just a little bit, and it's not melting, so it seems pretty good. But don't trust my judgment, because it can melt on yours. I don't know. I might just be getting lucky, y'all. All right, so y'all can see the difference between this side and that side. I do have to go in right here, right in this area, pluck some of this hair out. I don't think I'm gonna do baby hair. So I'm gonna keep the hairline. I'm gonna just go in and pluck some of that baby hair out, so I get it in exactly how I want it. All right, so we're practically done plucking. It is off-centered a little bit, but it's okay. I'll pin it back down right here. Oop. We're gonna put it on the sides, and I'm gonna try to do an updo. I don't know, I don't normally ever do ponytails because I'm not good at them. We're gonna try today. All right, let's go ahead and spray it. I'm gonna spray a little bit of Big Sexy Hairspray, just to lay down those tame it, to lay down those flyaways. Get it nice and flat. Okay, Sims. Goes good with this spray. This Yaki goes good with this spray. She's cute. Let me zoom out a little bit. Let me actually pick this camera up a bit. Look at how cute she is. She's super cute. Like, I'm really excited about how she looks. All right, y'all, I love y'all. And I truly hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll catch y'all in the next slay. If you're new, thank you so much for watching. And if you've been here, hey babies, I love y'all so much. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.